Miss Priya, you're on mute if you didn't know that.
Oh, yes, guys. Thank you. How are you all?
Good.
Good.
Okay, great. How was the percentage problems? How was the How was the percentage problems?
Wait, which percentage?
Homework, ma.
The first one or the second one?
Oh, there were two. Okay, let me quickly check. Because I did see the second one. Some of you only submitted, so I had the doubt. What happened? Johan, how was the. There was only one, right?
Yeah. The one that you took out or the one that you put in that's due Wednesday?
No, no, the challenge problems.
Yeah, this one was.
Okay, before that, I literally saw Vihan had doubts, right? Can we look at that?
Yeah.
I
I'm
literally
still
saw
working on the challenge problem.
what, Amma?
I'm still doing the challenge
I
problem.
No
finished the
problem.
challenge.
I
Yeah, I'm
posted.
still doing them too.
Don't worry, I posted them late, so I gave you more time. Okay. Now, what is your questions? What are your questions? Let's see. What happened to this problem? Meaning, I did see Vihan had a lot of doubts in this. Did you?
Yeah, but then I realized how to do them later.
Oh, you
With the,
understood?
yeah, I understood.
Can we try one?
Okay.
I just want to make sure you guys know, right?
We can't hear you.
No, you can hear her.
Guys, are you not able to hear me?
No,
No,
we
I
can hear you.
We can hear you.
I can hear you. There's just like a lot of background noise. There's like this raining noise.
No,
Really?
there's
No.
not.
There's no
There's not
noise. I
any.
don't hear anything.
Yeah.
Try making sure that you don't have any other tabs open, because last class I had this tab open, and yeah.
Ah, I see. No, I don't have anything, ma'am.
No, not you, them. Like the
Oh,
people who
them.
can't
Okay, okay,
hear.
okay. I see, I see, I
Because
see.
I heard like some not very pleasant noises, and that's because of another tab.
I know things like what WhatsApp, things
My
like
sister was watching a video on my computer, and it was not very pleasant. So
I get it, I get it, I get it, I hear you. Okay, guys. So, see, the original price is 12, percent discount is 25. Means what is the amount of discount? Can you message me? I just want to be sure that you guys know what you're doing. Can you just message me?
The first one?
Yes. Message the host. Hi, sorry, we are just working on the room. Hmm.
I will have it on my in-class.
What? Go ahead. Rohan, is it 4 or 3?
wait, what was the question again?
Oh, sorry.
Miss Priya, you're on mute again.
Yeah, Zoom tells me you're muted. Did you want to
Me?
unmute it? Ask me. Yeah. Yeah, go ahead.
Yeah, I asked you, then I muted. What was the question again? I didn't hear you.
The amount of discount and the sale price was what I asked.
For what?
For the first one, ma, calculator. So this is 3, this is 9, right? Now, let me go ahead with the racing bike. Let me go ahead with the racing bike. What is 33 1 by 3 percentage? How did you all do it? Of 360. What did you all do for this one?
Basically, I put 3/100 as the fraction.
I was confused on this one.
Okay, ma. 30, see, if you're confused on percentage, right? That's why I wanted to bring this up. If you're confused on percentage, right? The best way to deal with this, convert to a fraction, right? Can't you convert to a fraction? What is the fraction of 33 1 by 3 percentage?
1/3.
How did you find it? Who can tell me? Who can explain what is 33 1 by 3%?
It's equal to 33.33 bar percent.
Good. Okay. So let's write it down. So that is equal to 33.33333 percentage. Instead of percentage, I can put divide by 100, right?
Yeah.
So divide by 100 means decimal moves two places to the left. It's 0.33333 times 360, correct? So what is the value, guys? Calculate and tell me. Did you guys get? Guys, did you find out?
I see my answer.
See, okay, the other way to quickly do this is the other way to quickly do this is what you know. Let me show you. Other way to quickly do this is, see, 33 1 by 3 converted to a fraction, guys. When I convert it to a fraction, what happens to the fraction? Can one of you tell me what is the fraction?
1/3.
1/3. How did you get that 1/3, guys?
It's because when you convert it to a decimal, 333 repeating is a benchmark decimal, and it's 1/3.
Good job. See, that is nice. But okay, okay. If you don't know anything like benchmark fraction and all, 33, convert the mixed number to an improper fraction. 99, 99, 100 plus 1 is 100 divide by 3. This is 100 divide by 3 percentage. So 100 divide by 3 percentage. So it is 100 divide by 3 percentage. How can I further write the 100 divide by 3 percentage? It's a little tricky, but 100 divide by 3 percentage means divide by 100, right? So instead of that, you write 100 divide by 3 times 1 by 100. So this and this will get cancelled. Answer is 1 by 3. 1 by 3, fraction 1 by 3, one part out of 3 parts of 360 is what? 120. So basically the answer discount is 120. 360 minus 120 is 240 is the sale price. Did you guys get it?
Yeah.
Vihan, did you get it?
Kinda. I just don't understand the part how you got 103.
100 by 3? Vihan, how to convert a mixed number to an improper fraction? 33 1 by 3, what is the improper fraction, Vihan?
Oh, 100.
Huh?
100 over 3.
That is what I said, 100 over 3
Oh,
percentage.
okay.
Percentage, change it into division by 100. You cannot divide by 100, right? It's a fraction. So multiply by 1 by 100. Did you get it?
Yeah.
Okay, Nikita, what are they doing in school, ma?
We're having a Unit 3 test on ratios to proportions, and next week we're going to do rates. Or this week we're starting rates.
We have covered that in class, right?
Rates?
Mm.
Not yet.
Ah, really? Johan, what are you doing in school?
We're doing algebra.
You're doing algebra. See, I want to do algebra. Honestly, I wanted to do. But rates we have covered, right, Amma? No. So basically, oh, I see. 5 BC. Oh, I see. I see what is the problem. Okay. Okay, let's see. I don't want to go to algebra then. Okay, I really want to do only this. Okay, okay. Let me share my screen. Okay. I want you to know the concept of rates nicely. Okay. So let's go ahead and see rates. Okay. So let's say, okay. Um, okay. You all know 1 feet is equal to 12 inches, right? If I ask you how much is 240 feet in inches, 240 feet in inches if I want to convert, right? How do I do it? Here, guys, see, 1 feet is 12 inches. In this case, right, you know what I do when I have two quantities. Two quantities, one is feet, one is inches. They have given one and they have asked for the other pair, right? You know what I do? You can draw two bars. Literally, that's called double bars. Okay, so I can see, I can draw this line. I can draw this line. Now, this is my feet line. One is my feet line, one is my inches line. This is my feet line, this is my inches line. Please, guys, all the problems can be done this way. Now, one is in feet, one is in inches. So, what I'm going to do is, I'm going to put out 1 feet. Let's see. This is 1 feet. This is 1 feet. So, the corresponding bar in the inches will be what? Kamakshi, what it will be? 12. And then I go to 2. What will the inches be, Kamakshi?
Oh, did you call me? I'm sorry, I didn't hear you. I don't think my speaker's.
It will be 24. Now, like that, when I keep on moving, right? So, let me go to a 12. So, I don't know what is the corresponding inches value, right? Kamakshi, yes, Kamakshi, what is it? Kamakshi, did you want to say something? Okay, guys. So now when you're given two quantities, they are in proportion. When you see, it's always getting multiplied by a 12, meaning there is a factor with which I can multiply one to get the other. That is what is proportion, right? Multiplicative relationship between two quantities, right? So here, when you look at it, right? Now 1 became 12. You have the value for 1. 1 became 12 means you multiplied by 12, okay? So you got 12 above. So the same thing you need to do here. So 12, to get the value here, you need to multiply by 12. So what will be the value in inch? So whatever you do on the top bar, you have to do it on the bottom bar. So you multiplied by 12. Here as well you multiply by 12. Can we go ahead and do problems like this, guys?
Yeah, but Miss Priya, can we also do it in the metric because in school,
What is it?
can we also do it in the metric one because we were doing it in metric and uh
Yeah, we can do
percents.
all sorts of conversions.
Okay.
Can we go ahead and do that? இருக்கா இருக்கா
Priya, I think you're on mute.
This is not my machine, my computer, so that's why I'm a little iffy with the usage of it. So every time I get muted, I'm sorry. Um, so but today there will be two quantities. The two quantities always follow multiplicative relationship between each other. Okay, the two quantities will follow multiplicative relationship. In that case, you can use the double bar strategy easily to find out. Meaning they'll give you one pair. They will ask you for the other pair. So let's try that. Okay, give me 1 minute, guys. We have done. Looks like, guys. Wait. 6.4 fourth one I have done E F G. Oh, 1 minute, guys. I'm checking what have we done, what have we not done. Okay, 6.4 E F G we have done. Oh, I see. A B we have not done. A B C D we have not done. Okay. Yes, I get it. Ratio rates, we have not done it. Okay, we directly went to percentages. Okay, makes sense. Okay, let's see this one. Okay. Let me go ahead and give you an easy one. Then we'll do the harder ones. Okay. Okay. Here we go. I'm going to show a. Let me see. Oh my God, this is so hard for me in this control V. Okay. I'll share my screen. Do you see a table? You don't see a table, but do you see something written on the board?
Yes.
You see something written on the board, right?
Yes.
Yeah.
4, 8, 12, 22, 44, 66. 4, 8, 12. Let me write down, guys. 4, 8, 12, 22, 44, 66. 22, 44, 66. Okay. So this will be Pedro took this tells you the time Pedro took to run laps. This is the minutes, this is the laps. Those are the two quantities. Okay. Now they're asking how long will Pedro take to run how many laps? How long will Pedro take to run 14 laps? Can we try, guys? How long would Pedro take to run 14 laps? So, can I do this problem or do you guys want to do it by yourself? Please let me know, guys.
By ourselves.
Can we try it by ourselves?
Sure, I like that.
Is it 14 laps or 14 minutes?
Amma, no. For 14 laps, how many minutes he would take? That was the question.
Okay.
Did you get it?
Yeah.
We are solving the easier ones. We'll go to the harder ones, okay? Take your time. Okay, can I do it on the board? Do you want me to do it on the board? Can I do it on the board, guys? So I will draw two bars. One is laps, one is minutes. So how do I do it? See, it is very difficult. 4 matches with a 22, right? So it seems a little difficult, but basically it is not. Let's see. 4 laps is in 22 minutes. So what is happening? Check. 4 laps in 22 minutes, 8 laps in 44 minutes. So what are they doing basically? 12. 12 is here. So what do we do? Think about it. So here you can as well see this. 4 is multiplied by 2, 22 is multiplied by 2. See, that is also working. But the thing is, 4 is multiplied by 3, 22 is multiplied by 3 to get a 66. But the problem is, we have to find for 14. So what is the best way to get to a 14?
Can we can just divide 4 by 2.
Good job. You can divide 4 by 2. Go back. And then this also goes back to 11. Now 2 can go to a 14 by multiplying by 7. This can also be multiplied by 7. Did you guys get it?
Yeah.
So how many minutes is it?
77.
77. Can I move on to the next problem?
Yeah, Miss Priya, do you have to solve this way?
Not really. What was the way you solved? Can you tell me?
I wrote a table down and I just wrote 4 to 22, 8 to 44, 12 to 66, and then I solved for 16.
Okay, after that?
And then whatever I added, I took half and I just added 11 to 66. Basically the same thing you did, but I just drew a table instead of
Yeah,
the
I'm
math.
fine. Table is fine.
I didn't look at much.
What did you do, Ma?
I just saw that 4 goes into 20. Was it 22? Yeah, 5.5 times. So I just multiplied 14 by 5.5.
That's fine.
I did a proportion.
You did a okay, proportion is good. Okay, now do you all know? Okay, let's do the concept of ratios. I just want to know the concept. I just want to see where are we in the concept of ratios. Ratios is quite important. Let's see. Let me erase whatever is in here. Okay, let's go ahead and try this one. You know the concept of ratios, guys. Let's see. Now, there are triangles. Okay, there are circles. Now, if I ask you, what is the ratio of triangles to circles? Triangles to circles. What is the ratio?
3 to 3.
To 3.
3 to 3. Right? What is this? 3 to 3. I can write it like this, or I can write it like this, or I can say there are 3 different ways of writing ratios. Ratios are nothing but, if you closely think, they are like fractions. Now, this 3 to 3, right? If I ask you, what is the ratio of circles to the total number of objects? What is the ratio? What is the ratio of the
3 to
circles?
6.
3 to 6.
3 to 6 or 1:2. Do you all agree?
Yeah.
Okay. Now when you think about it, right? Meaning, why do we say 1:2? See, there is always a multiply, meaning it increases proportionally. If it becomes 3, it gets multiplied by 3, this becomes multiplied by 3. For every one triangle, we have 2 total components, meaning it's like this. 3 to 3 we said for triangles to circles, right? So that means for every one triangle, there is one circle. Do you all get it? For every one triangle, there is one circle. Any questions?
No.
Okay, how about this? What is the ratio of circles to stars?
2 to 3.
2 to 3. Good job. So what does it mean? For every 2 circles, there are 3 stars. Now, if I increase the number of circles to 6, how many stars will be there?
9.
9. Good job. But why not? Can I do this? It's a plus 4. Can I plus 4?
No.
No,
Why?
Because you can only multiply because it's
because you're increasing
it's how many per that one. So it's how many per the other one.
Good
So
job. For every 2, there is a 3. Meaning, if you increase it to another 2, another 3 gets added here. Another 2, another 3 gets added. So this is basically a multiplicative relationship. Can I move on?
yeah.
Okay. Now Now let's go ahead. I want to give you some problems. Wait. Okay. Let me ask you this. Suppose I am preparing green paint. I am preparing green paint. Okay. To prepare green paint, I have to add yellow paint and blue paint. I have to add yellow paint and blue paint in the ratio 3:7. I have to add yellow paint and blue paint in the ratio 3:7. Now, I want to prepare 10 gallons of green paint. I want to prepare 10 gallons of green paint. I want to have 10 gallons of green paint. Or let me put it like this. I want to green paint. I want to prepare 20 gallons. I want to prepare 20 gallons of green paint. How many gallons of yellow paint do I need? How many gallons of yellow paint I need? Please don't shout out. Try. Send the answer to me in chat. I really want to see how many of you are trying.
Send the answer.
Vihan. I'm only preparing 20 gallons of green paint. For that, why would I want 60 gallons of yellow? Total is itself 20.
So you need
Vihan,
3.
the sanity check is failing. Did you see?
Miss Priya, is the ratio for 1 gallon or 10 gallons? 3:7.
Shrestha, good question, but I want you to answer that question.
Okay.
No, let's discuss, Shrestha.
I think it might be 1 gallon.
Shrestha, see here. See, with ratios, the unit does not matter. For every 3 gallons, 3 gallons of
Yellow
three-
paint.
yeah, 3 gallons of yellow paint you add, then I need to add 7 gallons of blue paint. 1.5 gallons of yellow paint I add, then I have to add 3.5 gallons of blue paint. Do you get it?
Oh, okay, I understand now.
So there is no unit. Now you got it? Why?
Yeah.
I understand your question, but that's not the way to ask. Why? Because for every 3, this is 7. That's all. Doesn't matter. Okay, leave alone gallons. Now you're taking it in liters. For every 6 liter, I will add 14 liters. You got it?
Yeah.
So the unit is always the same between the ratios.
Okay.
Go ahead. Good job. Nikita, good job. You guys got it. Idant, good job. Vihan, can you send the answer correctly? Johan, what's happening, Johan? You are switched off the video.
Oh yeah, I don't know why it's not letting me.
Usually, I don't allow you to switch off videos, you know.
Yeah, but like whenever I click on it, it's not working sometimes. Like, oh wait, now.
It worked. Good job.
Yeah.
Thank you, Johan. I know you're very dedicated, but still, if I press on the others, I always force the others to have videos on. So I'm forced to ask you.
I'm
Go ahead.
confused.
What are you confused on here?
Wait. How did get?
Shrestha, correct. How did I get it? See, okay, Vihan, let's draw the table. Yellow, blue. Let's draw the table. 3, 7. So that makes up 10 gallons of paint, right? Now 6,
Yeah.
14, right? That makes up 20 gallons of paint. Yay! 20 gallons of green paint will require 6 gallons of yellow and 14 gallons of blue.
Oh, I thought that each one of those is equal to 1 gallon.
See, that's the same thing Shrestha asked. We were explaining. What did you do?
I was still thinking about the question.
So there is nothing like 1 gallon or anything. If you add 3 pints, you have to add 7. For every 3, it is 7. Unit is not at all important. You got it?
Yeah.
Unit is exactly the same for both. Vihan, did you get it, Vihan?
Yeah.
Okay, can I move on?
Yeah.
Okay, now the thing is, I can make ratios very difficult on you, I tell you. Because let's say the same, let's go with the green paint itself. Green paint is not going to go away today. Green paint is yellow plus blue, right? Kamakshi, are you following?
Yeah, I'm listening.
Mostly, yeah? Okay. Okay, so if there's something that you're not following, just let me know, Ma Kamakshi. So green paint is yellow plus blue. Okay, so here what I wanted to ask, tell you is, suppose I am adding 5 ml yellow paint to 3 1 by 4 ml blue paint. What is the ratio of yellow to blue? What is the ratio? Ratio is just a fraction. What is the ratio of yellow to blue? Think about it and then answer. So, how will I write the ratio? Can I write the ratio like this? No. I don't want the ratio to be a mixed number. One part of it cannot be a mixed number. In fraction, can I have mixed numbers? No. The other way of writing is 5, 3, 1 by 4. $832. எத்தனை மணிக்கு ஐயோ நெக்ஸ்ட் வீக்
Wait, is 5 1 over 4?
Go ahead, guys.
Wait, what is is that I want to
Vihan, go ahead, Vihan. I can't write this as a fraction, right? 5 divided by 3 by 4. 3 1 by 4. So what do I do? Ananda.
Convert it into a decimal?
One second, guys. 1 second. Go ahead, guys. Can I help you? No, 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 no. Okay, Johan, I really like your way of doing it, but I can't accept decimals or fractions. The decimal needs to go. So what do? You tell me, Johan. Okay, Johan had a very nice way of doing it. 5 divided by 3.25. You can't do that, right? But how will you make the decimal go?
I
multiply
add 2 zeros to the 5 and make it
Yeah.
325.
Good, nice. So 500 by 325. But you need it simplified, right? Can you simplify it and tell me the answer?
Oh, yeah,
That's it.
sure.
That's it. Sreshta, Vihan, did you all get it?
Yeah.
So what is the answer, guys? I really want answers from you.
I'm still solving.
Yeah.
I'm still
Okay, ma. Okay, okay, okay.
I sent my answer.
Sure. Oh, wow. Good job, guys. Proud of you. You all, you all got to know how to write complex ratios now?
I guess, yeah.
Nikita, do you understand, ma?
Yeah,
Soumya, are you getting?
I sent my answer.
Okay, now I'm going to give
Yeah.
you a hard one. A hard one. See, let me ask you this one. Okay, let me write down the problem for you. Jenny reads 3 books in 7.5 hours. How many books can she read in 1 hour? How many books in 1 hour?
Wait, that says 7.5, right?
Yeah, 3 books. Please, the double bar will work for all these. If you don't want the double bar, that's fine too. Answer might be a fraction or a decimal. Please send it to me. Is that right, Nikita? I know what mistake you did. Guys, please write down books, hours. Please write it properly. Hours is more. So for her to read 1 book, hours is 3 books in 7.5 hours. So hour is more. So in 1 hour, answer should be less than 1, right, guys? You're not at all doing a sanity check, any of you. See, 3 books in 7.5 hours means hours value is more. Books value is less. Ah, that's good, Vihan. Soumya, are you able to follow, Soumya? The other way I follow is, I write it out as 2 columns, books, hours. When I write it like this, right? 3, 7.5. 1 hour, I don't know what it is. Right? So how will I find? I'll always want to go to 1. If I go to 1, then everything becomes easy. So if I go to 1, oh, 1 hour. Okay, so I go to 1. What did I do? When I go to 1, I divided by 7.5. So here as well, answer is 3 divided by 7.5. But as I told you, right? I told you that a fraction cannot have decimal in the numerator or the denominator, right? So you need to change it, which is 30 by 75, 6 by 15, 2 by 5, which is 0.4. Good job, Nikita. Shrestha,
I was working on it.
okay. Kamakshi, did you understand?
Yes, I was drinking water.
No problem. Idant, did you understand? Idant,
Yeah,
did you understand?
yeah.
Okay. Now I have a problem for you. Let me see whether I can give that to you. Okay, I'm going to give you options. Please, guys, we need to listen. I am able to finish in a test. I am able to finish 30 questions in 75 minutes. Please write it as 2 columns and see. Okay. 30 questions in 75 minutes. Now, this is the same as I'm going to give you 4 options. I'm going to give you 4 options. 0.4 minutes per question. Please read properly. You'll have to focus and then answer this question. 2.5 questions per minute. 2.5 questions per minute. They are giving these to confuse you. 30 questions per minute. (2.5 minutes per question). Which is correct, guys? Slowly do. 30 questions in 75 minutes is the same as A or B or C or D.
Is my answer correct?
Oh wow, you guys are... Oh my gosh, Johan, that's correct.
How does anyone solve 30 questions per minute?
Nama, 30 questions. 30.
How?
True,
That
that is
makes no
correct.
sense.
So 30 questions in 75 minutes means minutes is more, right? Minutes is more, meaning one question is taking more than 1 minute, right?
I didn't mean to ask what the question was. I was just asking, like, why would they list that? That makes no sense.
That makes no sense. Good thought about it, Kamakshi. However, see, those who have answered A should really think, did you all do a sanity check? 30 questions in 75 minutes means one question is taking more than 1 minute. If one question is taking more than 1 minute, is the answer 0.4 minutes per question correct? So the sanity check is failing for A. Vihan, did you get it?
Yeah.
Shrestha, did you get it?
Yeah.
Yeah, so it's not 0.4 because see, you're taking more than a minute for a question.
Is my answer?
I
Is
said my answer.
Yeah.
Good job, Shrestha. Good job, guys. Will you all do a sanity check for me in these questions? Anytime you do these questions, will you all do a sanity check?
Yeah.
Good.
Yeah.
Please do the sanity check, okay? For every math question that you solve, you should do a sanity check. That really helps you avoid the mistakes. Kamakshi, Nikita, Saumya, Idant. Where is your answer, Idant?
I just sent my answer. Let me
I sent my
read it again.
answer a long time ago.
Yeah, I saw all of the other answers. I didn't see Idant answer.
I sent you.
I'll resend my answer in case you didn't see it.
Oh, Idant, sorry, Idant. Yes, I got it. Can I move on?
Is it right?
Yes, everybody got it. D is the answer. Can I move on?
D or D?
D.
Yeah.
Shall I move on?
D as in dog.
Yeah.
Okay. Now, tell me this one, guys. There are two graphs. Which one of these represents a multiplicative relationship? Do you know? Do you know or you don't know?
It's the second one.
That's the second one.
Yeah.
I feel it's the first one.
Why, Srishta?
by the way you would like plot the numbers, it seems like the way it's going up, it
Wait,
would
I
be.
realize. Can I say?
Yeah.
Number
It's
2
because,
is more like it's additive because it's going in a awkward direction.
it's because
Okay.
it starts from the origin.
Yeah.
Ah, Vihan got it. Vihan nailed it.
Yeah,
Yes.
that was
So let's think about it, guys. Okay. Okay. Let me go over two quantities. Okay, two quantities. I'll name them x and y. Okay. Now one. Let's say I have a 5. 2. I have a 10. 3. I have a 50. Now 1. I have a 6. Okay. 2. I have 11. 3. I have a 60. Can I plot both of them? When I plot both of them, 1 is a 5, 2 is a 10. So basically 0 is a 0, right? So do you see this is a multiplicative relationship between x and y. 5 times x is equal to y. Correct guys? Input output table rules. Idant, Nikita, are you following? Soumya, are you following Soumya?
Yes.
Now, here is there a multiplicative relationship? I don't see. Multiply by 5 plus 1. There is an addition involved. Multiply by 5 plus 1. Multiply by 5 plus 1. That is additive relationship. Let me plot it here. 1 is a 6. So 1 is a 6. And then 2 is 11. 1 is a 6. 2 is 11. But what happened? 0, what happened? Times 5 plus 1. 0 is a 1. So 0 is a 1. So what happened? At 0 you have a 1. So it does not pass through the origin. Additive relationships do not pass through the origin. Do you guys get it?
Yeah.
Let's try another additive relationship. X, Y. X is 1, 2, 3. So I just add 3 to it. 4, 5, 6. Right? Add 3. Additive relationship means x plus 3 I'm doing to get y. Now let me plot it. Johan, are you following Johan?
Yeah, it's just my screen is for some reason paused.
Okay, 1 is a 4, 2 is a 5, 3 is a 6. So, okay, we have those points there. Then what happened to 0? 0 is a 3. So do you guys get it now? Is it passing through the origin, guys? Is it passing through the origin?
No.
Additive relationship do not pass through the origin. Whereas, let me consider the same table. Two quantities. 1, 2, 3. I'm going to consider a multiplicative relationship. What multiplicative relationship? X times 2 is y. 6, 4, 2. Now, 1 is a 2. 1 is a 2. 2 is a 4. 3 is a 6. Now, go to 0. What happened to 0? It's a multiply by 2, right? It's again a 0. Do you see multiplicative relationship always go through the
Origin.
origin? Multiplicative relationships always go through the origin. Additive relationship do not go through the origin. Do you get it?
Yes.
Okay, now let's see this one. Now, I'm going to give you 4 options. Basically, we are doing 4 problems into one. Okay, you're going to tell me which one is a. Okay, let me tell you scenarios. You tell me whether they are multiplicative or additive. Does it make sense? You're going to answer in chat. Okay, I am a runner. I am a runner. I run. Every time I cross a mile, I collect $10. What type of relationship is this? Send it in chat. I want to see it in chat. Send it in chat. I'm telling you a scenario. You can put two quantities. What are the two quantities? Miles and dollars. You can put a table. Vihan, you're going to explain. Vihan, I need you to explain why. Can you write down the table, Vihan? I want you to write the table between the two quantities, mile and dollars. Can you write? Idant got it right. Vihan, Johan, Nikita, Sreshta, all of you were incorrect. Let me tell you why. Go ahead. Vihan, go ahead. Miles. Every time I cross a mile, I crossed 1 mile. I collected $10. Next what? What happened
Then
next?
when you get 2, you get 20.
Okay. When I get 3, what happened?
Times and you get 30.
Oh, so you think it's a multiplicator? Okay. Wait, guys. Maybe I am wrong. Let me check. Idant, why did you say it's an additive relationship? Seems like a multiplicative relationship. They are all right, I feel. What do you think?
I put it wrong, my bad.
Huh?
Never mind.
It is not additive, right? Good job, guys. You all were exactly right.
I thought of it this way. Because if we cross 0 miles, he would get $0.
Oh, that's true. Good job. Very nice. Very, very nice. I like that.
That's how I thought of it.
Very nice. Can I move on?
Yeah.
Okay. Y will be equal to half x. Okay, Sreshta. Is it multiplicative or additive? Multiplicative or additive?
Multiplicative.
Good one. How about this? I'm going to draw a table, the third scenario. Kamakshi, are you following Kamakshi?
Yeah.
What is this, Kamakshi? What type of a relationship is this? What type of a relationship is this?
Miss Priya, can I say it?
Yeah, ma.
It's an additive.
Good job. Vihan, okay. Johan, is it multiplicative, Johan?
I think it's additive.
Oh, good job.
I just didn't like realize the 1 for like 11. I thought it was a 1 for the 6.
I see. I see. I see. But you understood the concept behind this, right?
Yes.
Okay, good. So you should be able to distinguish additive and multiplicative relationship if you're given an equation, a scenario, a table, a graph. Okay, how about this? What is this? What is that?
We type it in chat.
Hmm?
Do we put it
No,
in
no, you
chat?
can shout out, please shout out.
Additive.
Multiplication.
Additive.
Sorry, additive.
Who said multiplicative?
I did.
But did you get it now?
Yeah.
Okay, let's try this one.
I remember that it was from the origin, the multiplication, but then
Nice. I really like that. Remembering like that really helps. Okay, now I'm using chocolate chips, okay, cookies. I use 24 chocolate chips to bake 3 cookies, 48 chocolate chips to bake 6 cookies. To bake 9 cookies, I use 72 chocolate chips. Based on this information, for baking 16 cookies, how many chips would I need? We have just worked on basic ratios, complex ratios, putting it as a fraction, and then some basic rates.
I said my answer.
I don't know how you did it. Let me see.
Can I tell how I did it?
1 minute, Amma. Let me get the answers from everybody. Nikita, can I get your answer? Sreshta?
I did send it.
Oh, really? Sreshta?
I'm solving it.
Nikita, how Nikita? That is not correct, right? Nikita, again, the trouble is, did you do a sanity check?
Oh wait,
16 cookies. So 3 needs 24 chips. 6 needs 48 chips. 9 needs 72 chips. 16 needs only 32. That doesn't match. Kamakshi, explain, ma. How did you get that, ma? Kamakshi?
I'm thinking of how to say it because I'm having second thoughts on it too.
Okay, good. Nice way of telling. Yeah, you have second thoughts, and that second thoughts is correct. So, is the double bar working? Do you want the
Oh, I
double
get what I did because I multiplied. Can I say it? What I did?
Yeah, go ahead.
So I haven't got the answer yet, but I accidentally multiplied it by 3. But I'm supposed to multiply it by 8. 16
Nice.
times 8.
Nice.
Because I divided 24 by 3. I got 8. 48 by 6, 8, and 72 by 9. It's 8. So
Nice.
I was gonna multiply 16 and
Nice.
8. I haven't done that yet. I don't
Very
know why
nice.
I put a 3.
Very nice. Nikita, did you get it? Nikita?
Yeah, I'm still working on it. But yeah.
It's times 8, ma. That's all.
Yeah.
Can I move on?
Yeah.
One more question.
I
Okay.
sent my answer now.
Yeah, ma. That's correct.
Miss Priya,
Yeah, ma.
I'm still working on it.
Oh, I'm sorry, Sreshta. Thank you for letting me know. You're so nice. See, guys, there's absolutely no problem if I like I'll think, oh, you all got it. But if you really want the time, just tell. That's fine. I really liked it, Shrestha. I'll wait. Send it to me, mom.
Was your voice breaking or is it just me?
What is that, Vihan?
For me, your voice is breaking. So was it just me or
Oh,
was
is it? I don't know. Is my voice breaking, Shrestha? Or
No, it was breaking
not.
earlier for me, but now it's not breaking anymore.
yeah, it stopped breaking, but it was breaking a bit earlier. So
Shrestha, is it 2 cookies? How, Shrestha? Ma, did you do a sanity check, Ma Shrestha? Chips is more, right? Chocolate chips is more. So for 16 cookies, how can it go so low? Why did you divide by 8? You should multiply by 8.
Oh,
Do you get it?
yeah.
Shrestha, please do the sanity check, Shrestha. Otherwise, I will cry.
Wait,
When
what?
you're given a problem, do the sanity check on your answers. Do you guys get it?
Yeah.
can I tell the way that I did it?
Go ahead.
I divided 24 by 3.
Uh huh.
Which would I divided which was 8 chocolate chips cookie,
Uh huh.
and then I multiplied the cookies by 16. So then I got 128.
Times 2, right? Times 2, right?
No, it's
It,
times 8.
it's,
No, no, no. No,
Wait,
no,
what are you
no.
asking it for?
no,
No, no, no, no. Okay, he explained how he did it, ma. So he
Mm-hmm.
went from 24 to 8 and then times 2 he did. Similarly, you can go to 24 to 8 means you divide it by 3 and then multiply it by 2, right? That's what you did,
yeah,
right?
yeah,
Multiplied by 16, correct?
yeah.
Did you understand, Kamakshi?
Yeah, I didn't really hear what.
Okay. Okay. So guys, can I stop here?
Okay,
We will stop here. Your homework will be on ratios and rates. I'll post it today itself. Tonight or tomorrow. Okay, I'll post it.
Okay.
Bye guys. See you all next.
So
Bye.
will
Bye.
last week's homework be due when?
Last week homework is due on the 13th.
Okay.
Okay.
Thank you. Bye.
Bye, mom. Soumya, are you understanding, Soumya?
Yes.
Okay, but I want answers from you from next week. Is that okay?
Okay.
I really want answers from you next week.
Miss Priya, you're on mute.
Hi,
Okay.
Kamakshi.
Bye.
Bye, ma.
Bye, Miss William.
Bye, ma.
How's Simpsony?
Hamsini. Hamsini is in another class.
Tell her I said hi.
I will definitely tell her. She's really missing you for the past 2 weeks, right? I'll definitely tell her.
Okay.
How's your sister?
She's fine, I think.
What grade is she in?
Second.
How are you doing in school?
Everything is fine except math because my teacher, she has a bunch of health problems, so she's never here.
Oh, she's never here?
Well, not never. She's always absent at least 2 days of the week.
Cherry ma, but how are you doing your tests?
I'm pretty good on them.
Good. Are you following the homework? Very nice, Kamakshi. You're nicely messaging me. I really like it.
Mm-hmm.
Okay, and keep me posted. And if you find a homework problem tough or you didn't know, come and ask the next week, ma.
Okay.
Does it make sense?
Yes. Also, I tried to turn, because I do it my homework on this website called Lumi. You said you can't see the link, right?
Yes, what you need to do is you have to download the PDF and submit it in here.
Okay. I'll try doing that. Let me try doing that now and see what happens.
Sure.
Okay. Bye, Miss Priya. Have a good week.
Bye, Ma. Bye.